Welcome back again, my dear friends of YouTubers. I am your friend Hilqaan abdi aden. I'm your teacher Hilqaan abdi aden. Our topic of today is concerned about 8 best time to drink water. Please, if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment. I rather want for your like to my video. Welcome back again. 01. After waking up, activate internal organs. Number 2. After waking up, activate internal organs. Number 2. After workout, bring heart rate back to normal. Because when you are working all the day, or when you are working in an hour, you have to bring heart rate back to normal, because for the rate of your heart must be bring back to normal, otherwise it may be cause another victims. Number 3. Half an hour before a meal. Half an hour before a meal. Help in digestion, because of before you have a meal, you have to have help digestion. Number 4. Before taking bath. Before you take bath, you have to help it to lower blood pressure. To lower blood pressure. You have to reduce your blood pressure before you take bath. Here what we mean is you have to be rest enough. Number 5. Before going to bed. Before going to bed. Before going to bed, you should have replenish any fluid